Hey guys, let's review different types of scale maps that you may come across in your journey through year 11 and 12. So first of all topographic maps are medium scale maps. Okay, so every map that you use is a medium scale map. Some of the common scales that you're going to come across, 1 is to 100,000. So this means 1 centimetre represents 100,000 centimetres. Now there's 100 centimetres in a metre, so if we divide this by 100, we get 1,000 metres, which is, as we know, 1 kilometre. So this map's the easiest one to use because for every centimetre you measure, it represents 1 kilometre. It doesn't equal, it represents, the key word is represents. As a statement in words, we write it as 1 centimetre on the map represents 1 kilometre on the ground. As a representative fraction, it's 1 over 100,000, and as a line scale, for every centimetre, it would be indicated that every centimetre represents 1 kilometre. 1 is to 25,000 is the map we were using as we went through our skills, and as we know that represents 1 centimetre represents 25,000 centimetres, divide that by 100 is 250 metres. So it's 1 centimetre represents 250 metres. Here we've got it as a representative fraction, and then we use the same terminology for our statement in words with the key word represents, but this time it's 1 centimetre represents 250 metres. In the future, you'll come across 1 is to 50,000, which is 1 centimetre 500 metres. Okay, same in the words stays the same. 75,000 is 750 metres. Okay, and then the one that you may come across, especially when we study Perth in year 12, is 1 is to 250,000. So this is a smaller scale map. Okay, it's still a medium scale topographic map, but this is the smallest scale you'll use. And that's 1 centimetre represents 250,000, which is 2,500 metres, which is 2.5 kilometres. Okay. The only thing to keep in mind here is we have a 1 centimetre grid because it's 1 centimetre 1 kilometre for a 1 is to 100,000 map. A 4 centimetre grid because you need 4 lots of 250 metres for a kilometre. A 2 centimetre grid for 500 metres, and this becomes a 4 centimetre grid, but it's actually 4 lots of 2.5 kilometres, which means every grid square is 10 kilometres by 10 kilometres, which represents 100 square kilometres. They're all the different scales that you're going to come across.